OneDesk lets you configure the properties that are visible on the detail panels of the various items in your account. Let me show you. Here's the detail panel for a ticket. I got a document on the side so that I can just select a new ticket and the detail panel will automatically be updated with whichever is selected. These properties here that are shown on this detail panel can be updated. If you don't make use of some properties, you may want to clean up this detail panel to just include the things that you use. If you're an administrator, click on Administration and choose the item type that you'd like to modify. For example, I can modify the properties on my tickets, on my tasks, on my timesheets, on my projects, users, or customers. Let's go with tickets. In this section here that says Tickets Detail Panel, I can determine which properties are shown on the detail panel. For example, maybe I'm not going to use SLAs, and perhaps I don't care about the activity count. Let's turn a few more things off so you can see the effects. I don't care about actual schedule. I don't care about linked items. Now, when I go to my ticket and select that ticket again, you can see those properties have all been removed. This simplifies the form for me. I can do that for a variety of items just by unchecking those properties. Now, when I present those properties to my customers on the portal or in the knowledge base, I can configure that too. To do that, just go down to Customer Apps and check the customer application that you'd like to modify. For example, on my customer portal, I can determine which properties I would like my customer to see. Just by unchecking or checking these boxes, I can modify what's shown to them. I can also turn on and off some of the features of the customer portal right here. This also applies to the knowledge base and so on. So for each customer app you create, you can provide different properties that are appropriate for that particular application. Now you see, if I preview the customer portal, I can see what properties are displayed on the panel right here, and I can modify those.